Most producers want to cast SAG-AFTRA actors in their film, but there is a lot that producers need to know, do, and prepare for before becoming a SAG signatory production. Hi, James Pacitti, entertainment attorney and production counsel in Los Angeles. The process of becoming a SAG-AFTRA signatory is a time-consuming, document and information-intensive process. And it's important that producers fully understand the process before commencing, because otherwise there may be avoidable delays and disruptions to the production. First, producers need to submit a signatory application. This application should be submitted at least 4 to 6 weeks before producers intend to begin production, conduct rehearsals, or travel. However, there's a lot that producers must do before submitting the application. First, of course, they need to know the budget, because the type of SAG agreement that will apply will be based on the budget of the production. The producers also have to have a completed script, as SAG will request that, as SAG will want to know how many speaking parts will be in the production. If the production is under one of the low budget agreements, then producers need to be aware that the entire production needs to be shot in the United States or its territories, which include Puerto Rico, Guam, and the U.S. Virgin Islands. The application itself is very information intensive, and of course it requires the information I already mentioned, obviously the name of the project, the type of agreement that it's going to be, whether it's the theatrical agreement, modified low budget, ultra low budget, so forth. Obviously also the project type, whether it's live action, animation, or documentary. The anticipated running time and all the languages that will be spoken in the project. The synopsis and the genre need to be provided to SAG. The names of the lead performers and host, and if known, the writers and director. If there's any other unions involved, including, of course, the DGA, the WGA, and IATSE. The earliest travel and rehearsal dates, and as well as the projected dates of principal photography and wrap. SAG will also ask if principal photography and or voiceover work will be remote or in person. And also, of course, the name of the producer is required, and the name of the production attorney is requested, but not required in case there is not a production attorney on the production at that time. After submitting the application, SAG will email the producers a packet of information that needs to be provided and documents that need to be submitted. For the next step steps in the SAG-AFTRA process, check out the next video.